Welcome to my Dev Excellency classes. Today I am going to explain investment. This concept will come again and again while calculating national income, and in determination of income and employment chapter I will again explain it broadly. It may be stated at the outset that the meaning of investment here is different from common use of the word. You often hear that a person investing money in buying shares of a company or buying security, etc. But here investment means an addition to national physical stock of capital during a period. Investment include addition to inventories as well as the fixed capital. Investment means addition made to existing stock of capital during the year. It increases the productive capacity of the producer. Clear? Investment in this sense does not refer to total stock of capital in existence but net addition to this capital over a period of the time, that is a year. For example, if you have well settled business and in that business you have 20 machines in the starting of the year, but in between you need more machines. Then, for example, you need 5 more machines and you purchase it. Now you have total 25 machines. Listen, 20 machine is stock of capital and 25 machine is also the stock of capital. But 5 machines which you bought in between the year is investment. Clear? What you add during the year is investment. It increases productive capacity of the producer. There are two parts of investment, that is gross investment and net investment. Gross investment, the total investment in an economy which comprise capital good, is called gross investment. It has two components. One, that is gross fixed investment or gross capital formation. Second is change in stock or inventory investment. What is gross fixed capital investment? It is increase in the stock of fixed asset. Increase in the stock of fixed asset means gross value of machinery and equipment, construction of building, business premises, etc. It is also called fixed capital formation. Increase in fixed investment increases the level of output, hence is the sign of economic growth. If we deduct stock of fixed asset in the beginning of year from stock of fixed asset at the end of the year, then we get gross fixed investment. Second thing, inventory investment. It is the change in stock of finished goods, semi-finished goods and raw material. If we deduct opening stock of finished, semi-finished and raw material from closing stock of finished, semi-finished and raw material, then we get inventory investment. Now the next part is net investment. During the production process, some amount of capital stock is used up or consumed. This consumption of fixed capital in the production process is called depreciation or consumption of fixed capital. By subtracting depreciation from gross investment, we get net investment. Same as it is. If we add depreciation in net investment, we get the gross investment. And we deduct net investment from gross investment, we get depreciation. It enhances the production capacity, help in generation of employment, accelerates the economic growth and national income. Thank you.